What does a GT3 Cup Car sound like?
The sound is like no, no.
Here we have someone really cool, really special. This is Marta from the Iron Dames. We're going to ask Marta what a GT3 Cup Car sounds like. So Marta, what does it sound like?
Woo! Woo!
Sander! Sander, we have a quick question for you. My favorite engineer. Sander, what does a GT3 Cup Car sound like? Ayla always helps us with our guests and everything. So Ayla, thank you so much. We're going to ask you what a cup car sounds like. So what does it sound like?
No. No.
After having some people willingly do the sound of a cup car and some people maybe a little bit unwillingly do the sound of a cup car, I think it's important I do it myself as well. So the sound that usually comes out of here is